Okay, for today's training, we're going to go over how to send to more mailers in less time. And the main way that we do this is using Referral Frenzy. I try to mail to at least 50 mailers a day to get enough credits and hits to have success. So first of all, we're going to log into Referral Frenzy and go to the members area. Now, there are a lot of really cool features to Referral Frenzy. One of the first things you're going to want to do is to fill out your profile. Make sure that you have a payment address in there, so when you get your referrals and commissions, you can get paid. And then here you can see it'll tell you your stats for all of the mailers that you've sent to. It'll give you the percentage of the click-through rates. And this is really helpful to tell you which mailers are worth clicking for credits and which ones, if you don't have time, you could maybe skip. So you can see some I'm getting 3.45%, 2.35%, like those are pretty good. But then there's other ones like this one where I got 0. So this is a good thing to look at regularly to see what your click-through rate is. You can send solo ads. You can read your solo ads that have been sent to you, which will earn you credits and tickets in the weekly raffle. You get 3 banner spots with unlimited rotation on the Referral Frenzy site. This Live Good banner I am not using anymore, so I'm going to delete this one and show you how to add another one. So you need to click the banners button again to make that spot available. So here you want to put in your banner and your target URL. So I'm going to go to my scrapbook and get my banner, Control C, put my cursor in the banner URL box and do Control A to select all and then Control V to paste. I'm going to go back to my scrapbook and get my capture page link and Control C. Then come back here to the target URL, Control A, Control V, and then I'm going to put RF banner as my tracking code because this is Referral Frenzy and this is a banner. And we're going to add that. And you can see that automatically that banner shows. I can see that it's rotating, which means everything worked properly. You can see on my other 2 banners, I've gotten 1 hit today, which isn't very much, but it's also only 10 o'clock in the morning. So not a big deal. And the other thing that you can do is have text ads. You get 3 text ads that rotate constantly on the platform. Again, I'm not using this Live Good stuff anymore, so we're going to go ahead and delete that. And then hit the text ad button again so that we can add a new one. And I'm going to type in my new text ad. And get my URL, Control C, Control A, Control V, and then RFTX, Referral Frenzy text ad. And go ahead and add that. Now see it says rotating and everything worked. So now I have that new text ad in rotation on this site. Okay, the next button here is bonus advertising. Go ahead and click on that. Now, as a member of Referral Frenzy, you get credits in this huge list of mailers. And you can see that in the In the columns here, it'll tell you how many credits, how many banner impressions, how many text impressions that you're getting at each of these mailers. And it'll also tell you when it was last claimed. The system automatically claims your bonuses on the 1st. So here you can see your bonuses for this month were automatically claimed on Saturday, the 1st of April. And again, that's what it says in all of these boxes here, claimed April 1st. So getting all of these credits is huge. Clicking for credits can take a ton of time, and it is worthwhile, but it takes a lot of time. So especially if you're still working a job, this is a big advantage to get all of these credits. And here you can see for some reason this one didn't claim. It says unclaimed, and you can hit this claim now button and try and claim it. But I know Safeless Marvel is not working right now. I'm not exactly sure why. So that's all the bonus advertising that you get for mailers. And they also have traffic exchanges that are in the program. And as you can see, I'm not a member of very many of the traffic exchanges because they're lower quality traffic. I've found that you don't get as good of a conversion rate. But you can see here, you get credits, banners, and texts in a bunch of traffic exchanges, again, that'll automatically claim on the 1st of the month. Let's see. And you can go on the My Referrals here, and it'll show you how many referrals that you have in the program. Then this My Mailings tab gives you the status for mailings that you've already sent. So like here, it's saying for proactive mailer at 8 a.m. this morning, the message was not sent. So I would need to log into Proactive and see why that message didn't send. But then all of these other ones, you can see that the messages were sent successfully. So I usually come in here like once a week. I don't do it every day. I probably should, to make sure that all of the mailings are working properly. All right, so now the most important thing is sending to more mailers in less time, like I said. So you go to the send mail button here, and it shows you a list of all of the mailers that you can send to from this back office. And you can see that the green check marks mean that I'm a member and my information is working. There's only one here that I'm not a member of because I've had trouble with that one. But all the other ones you can see I am a member of. So now what you can do is you can hit this select all, and it'll select all the mailers to send. Or you can just go through and select the ones that you have credits in. So see this last box here is telling you how many credits you have in the particular mailer. So that's what I usually do. I click the ones that I have credits. And just go down the list and select them all. It's the early in the month, so I still have a lot of credits at some of these. Just click as many of them as we got here. And then we hit this send mail button. Now it's saying I have 50 mailers in the queue. So now you have to go and check and make sure that all of these mailers will allow you to send right now. So you can see that this one has the blue check mark and it's saying it's going to send to 400. So that one's good. And so are these next few. Now advertising for success, it says that I can mail up to, use up to 2,500 credits, but I only have 2,497. So I could click this button and then it would open the advertising for success. I could go to the credit mailbox where I am right now, and I can hold down the control key and click all of these unread mails. And then I can just go to each tab, and once the timer is done, oh, here I want a prize, so you can claim the prize, and then you can close each window that the timer has completed and the credits have been added. So you can see this goes pretty quick to get some additional credits. And then I would go back to my Referral Frenzy and I hit this check status. And then it'll tell me advertising for success status updated. So now if I go down here, you can see now I've got 2,600 credits and I'm using 2,500 for the max views of 50 that is allowed for my membership level. Now this one, advertising emails, you can see it says I can't send another mailing until April 5th at 10:13, which I think is right now. You come down here to the bottom, it'll tell you what the server time is. Yeah, 10:13 is right now. So I can go back up to, where was it? Advertising emails and hit the check status. Now that one, I already had the credits. I just had to update the status so that it'll send today now that it's time that I can do that. Oh, Atomic Solos, it's not time for me to mail again yet, so it just says cannot mail, which is fine. We'll leave that there. This one, Dragon Safe List, says that I can't mail until tomorrow, so we'll leave that one alone. This one is the 8th. This one, Flying Eagles, 10:14. Again, that's right now, so we're going to do the check status. And it says Flying Eagles updated. So then I scroll back down to the Flying Eagles. I guess it wasn't quite that time yet. Let's see what we're at. Yeah, a couple seconds too early. So let's try it again. There we go. We'll try the Flying Eagles one more time. There, now it went. We already had credits, we just had to update it now that it's time to mail. Can't mail at that one. This one I think I can. I'm gonna check the status. Yeah, that one updated. That one's good. Can't mail to that one. This one's good. This one I can mail again. Another way to know if it's time to send the mailer is on the far side here. It says when your last mail was sent. And then in the middle box here, it says you can mail every 72 hours, which in this case would be every 3 days. So I can see that I mailed on the 3rd. Well, that was only 2 days ago. So this one I'm not going to be able to mail yet, which is exactly what it tells me on the 6th. I can mail again, which would be tomorrow. List outbreak is good to go. This one I can't mail till the 6th. Those ones are all good. Not today, not today. Monster's good. For this one, you have to, for Mountain High Mailer, you have to click 8 emails, credit mails, in order to send today. So that's why it's saying you cannot mail at the moment. I already clicked the 8 mails, but I need to check the status again in order for that to update. Come back down, and now Mountain High Mailer is showing that it'll send. Safe List King, not today. I think that is about it for what I can send to today. So now that I've gone through my list and checked the status and made sure I had credits and done all of that stuff, then I can come down here and select an ad. You can see I have a bunch of ads stored here. I'll show you where that is in a minute. So the one I'm going to send today is this one. You must turn it on to feel the power. So I select that ad and I hit post ad. Now the system is going to do a few checks, and then it's saying that the ad will be sent to 34 mailers. And here's a list of all of the ones that it will be sent to. If you go here to the My Ads, this is where I have all of my ads stored. So you can create your ads right in here or copy and paste them if you've got them stored somewhere else. And then when you have them in here, like this one we did today, you must turn it on to feel the power. We're going to hit the edit button. And it'll show me that ad. And now I could also copy and paste from right here into other mailers that are not part of Referral Frenzy. So even though mailers aren't a part of this program, I still use it to send to them because it stores all of my ads. It's really nice to have all of my ads in one place. I can just come here and click that edit button, and then it gives me the 3 boxes where I can send to any other mailer. So that's another really nice feature. I think that is most of the stuff here. It's only been a few minutes or a few seconds, but if we click on the My Mailings, it should see, yeah, see, it's starting to send those ones that I just went and sent. And looks like a few of them are having trouble, but here, you know, it says sending now and it'll work its way down the list. That is pretty much it. I should have maybe said at the beginning, Referral Frenzy is a paid program. It does cost $15 a month to use, but with all of the bonus advertising that you get, all of the credits, and how fast it is to send, I mean, you saw me send to 34 mailers in less than 10 minutes. So that's huge. So $15 a month is really nothing for the value that you're getting for this program. There is also a lifetime offer. After being a member for a month, I went ahead and upgraded to the lifetime because I saw the value and how much this saved me time and was getting me the traffic that I needed to have success. So I think that is it. We're going to stop there for today.